Hi, it's Professor Monty. Let's talk about reducing factors that are opposites. So let's talk about what an opposite is. Now think about opposite numbers like 7 and negative 7. Well, 7 divided by negative 7 is negative 1. Negative 3 divided by positive 3. Again, it'd be negative 1. So what is b minus a over a minus b? Well, if we look at it and we do a little math, notice the top, I can change the order to a minus b. Oops. Negative a plus b is the same as b minus a. B minus a. Down here I have a minus b. Well, I can factor in negative 1 out of the top. It's going to be negative 1 times positive a minus b. And the bottom is still a minus b. Now notice what we've learned before. Anything on the top that's the same as on the bottom that are being multiplied, factors, can be reduced. So b minus a over b minus a is just 1. Well, negative 1 times 1 is just negative 1. And so that's what b minus a over a minus b is. It's always negative 1. Now, these are called opposites if they're written in this order, and they always reduce or cancel to negative 1. So if I have something like this, reduce x minus 5 over 5 minus x. Well, it's in this form where I'm just taking the minus in the middle and I'm just flipping the order. I can do the same thing I did up there, but I know it's just going to reduce to negative 1. We can just go straight there. Here, a similar type of thing, but I don't see the same thing on the bottom. I don't see its opposite, but the bottom is factorable. So I've got 3 minus x on top. On the bottom, I can factor out a 2, and I get an x minus 3. Oh, the 3 minus x over the x minus 3, that's a negative 1. So these are going to cancel. Usually when we cancel, we just cross them out. It's really we cancel when we put a 1. Well, with opposites, we cancel when we put a negative 1. So I've got negative 1 over 2, where this is negative 1/2. That's what that reduces to. And now I've got a real complicated one. It looks like I can factor out a 4. I might consider difference of 2 squares. It's not quite difference of 2 squares, but it doesn't matter because notice the top and the bottom are the same, just flipped around the negative sign or the subtraction sign. So I've got opposites. I don't have to factor or do anything. I can just say that whole thing is an opposite. So the answer is negative 1. So you'll see opposites periodically. A lot of times they're just here. They're just flipped across the subtraction sign. Their opposites always reduce to negative 1.